A mountain of no Jack Ma's early rejections. Jack Ma's story is one of resilience and determination. It's a story about overcoming rejection and rising above challenges. Ma, the founder of Alibaba, faced countless no's early in his life. Despite these setbacks, he remained undeterred. He struggled in school, failing his college entrance exams twice. Yet he continued to push forward. He applied to over 30 jobs and was rejected by all of them. Even KFC turned him down. These rejections could have easily crushed his spirit, but they didn't. But Ma refused to give up. He saw each rejection as a stepping stone. He knew he had something to offer the world, something unique and valuable. Ma believed in his vision and his ability to make it a reality. He understood that success often follows failure and that perseverance is key. With each rejection, Ma learned something new. He adjusted his approach and kept moving forward. He never lost sight of his goals, and his unwavering determination eventually led him to success. More than just fried chicken. The KFC Rejection. This story is about resilience and turning setbacks into comebacks. One of Ma's most famous rejections came from KFC, a place known for its fried chicken. He was one of 24 applicants for a job. Out of those 24, 23 were hired. Ma was the only one rejected, the sole individual deemed unfit for the job. Imagine the sting of that rejection, the feeling of being the odd one out. He had applied alongside his friends, only to be singled out as the one not good enough. The emotional impact was profound. This rejection could have been a defining moment for Ma, a moment that could have shattered his confidence. He could have allowed it to define his limitations, to let it dictate his self-worth. Instead, he used it as fuel, a catalyst for his future endeavors. He channeled the disappointment into determination, working harder and smarter. He refused to let a single rejection define his future. Ma's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and resilience. Beyond the badge, the police force roadblock. This chapter delves into one of the many hurdles Jack Ma faced on his journey to success. The KFC rejection wasn't the only setback Ma faced. It was just one of the many rejections that tested his resolve and determination. He also applied to join the police force. Again, he was rejected. This was another blow to his aspirations. This time, the reason was simple. He wasn't physically fit enough. The standards were stringent, and Ma didn't meet them. The police force saw him as too small and weak. They judged him solely on his physical appearance. They didn't see his potential. They overlooked his inner strength and determination. But Ma saw this rejection as an opportunity. He didn't let it break his spirit. He realized that his strengths lay elsewhere. He began to understand that his true potential was not tied to conventional paths. He understood that his path to success wouldn't be linear. It would be a winding road filled with unexpected turns. It would be paved with obstacles and detours. Each rejection was a stepping stone to something greater. He embraced the challenge and looked for a different way forward. Jack Ma's journey is a testament to resilience and finding one's unique path. Section 4. Turning No into Fuel, the Birth of Alibaba. These early rejections shaped Jack Ma. They taught him the importance of resilience. They instilled in him a belief in his own abilities. This belief would be crucial when he founded Alibaba in 1999. At the time, few people understood his vision. Investors were hesitant. The internet was in its infancy. But Ma persevered. He drew upon his experiences. He remembered the sting of rejection. He used it as motivation. He knew that success wouldn't come easy. He was prepared to fight for his dream. Section 5. The Power of Resilience, Embracing Setbacks. Jack Ma's story is an inspiration. It reminds us that setbacks are inevitable. Rejection is a part of life. The key is how we respond. Do we let rejection define us, or do we use it as fuel to propel us forward? Ma's story teaches us the power of resilience. It highlights the importance of a positive mindset. It shows us that success often lies just beyond the point where we feel like giving up. Section 6. Your turn. What's your story? We all face challenges. We all experience setbacks. But it's in those moments that our true character is revealed. Do we allow ourselves to be defined by our failures? Or do we rise above them? Do we use them as stepping stones to something greater? What rejections have you faced in your life? How have they shaped you? Share your story and inspire others to embrace their own journeys of resilience.